One of the 4 Federated States of Micronesia, Chuuk is located in the Pacific Ocean, 3/4 the distance from Hawaii to Papua New Guinea. Its population of over 50,000 is spread throughout the islands, outside and inside one of the world's largest lagoons, now popular for World War II wreck diving. Located in the western end of the lagoon, far away from electricity, from roads, from grocery stores, lies our beautiful island of Pata Tuburion, island of the setting sun. We have learned so much from our Chuuese friends. They are so generous. Just the other day, Sadao shared with us the first of his crop, a huge, luscious pineapple. Atai volunteered to wash my clothes while Amy was on Guam. Yet only 1 out of 10 families has a regular income to buy the basics of rice, canned meat, soap, and matches. So most, like Sadao, live off the land, pounding breadfruit or taro to eat with their catch of fish. In the early 1800s, Christianity reached the islands of Chuuk. Today, an estimated 60% are Catholic and 40% are Protestant religions. Unfortunately, though, many people are still bound by alcoholism and domestic violence and fear of the spirits. With over 50,000 people on 40 inhabited islands inside and outside the Chuuk Lagoon, the SDA message has been firmly established in only 2 of these since the 1970s when the first Chuuese were baptized.
My Filipina neighbor came and invited me to attend the Bible meetings. I said, "Okay, but not today. I'll go with you tomorrow." This lady never gave up. Though I made up many excuses, she kept inviting me until finally I went with her to the meetings.
But what was so different about this message? Lito chose to keep the commandments of God, and Bermira rejoiced that she was not saved by works but by faith in Jesus. I used to attend a Sunday-keeping church, but while I lived with my Seventh-day Adventist aunt and uncle, they started studying the Bible with me. Over the years in their home, I believed for myself that the Sabbath day is indeed holy. At that time, I decided to follow Jesus all the way and keep all his commandments.
I'm thankful to Pastor Mark Deacle and John Crum, who brought me God's Word. Often we would study the Bible under the trees in the jungle, anywhere we could find to meet together. But thanks to God, even though the people we were staying with rejected us, Pastor Deacle didn't feel put off. He kept coming back until finally I was baptized.
Hachko, Lito, and Permira are only 3 of those who have chosen to keep the commandments of God and have the faith of Jesus. Prayerfully consider how you can also help reach the rest of the islands of Chuuk and all of Micronesia.